Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to Excel single worksheet. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and I'll convert this PDF file to Excel file. Now click on this convert option, this menu bar, and here you will find this to MS Office option and click this down option, down arrow, and this is Excel option, select this one, and this is setting option, click here. Here you can convert one page or specific pages, or you can select all pages. This auto detect decimal and thousand separator, and this creates single worksheet for this document and worksheet for each table and create worksheet for each page. I'll make it create single worksheet for whole document. You can convert editable document or skip images in document. Okay, and select, and you can rename it and save, and see this Excel file now created. Yeah, this is. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.